Hey, it's Alex. Yeah, it's been a while since uploaded a YouTube video, so I'm gonna do that right now today. But as you can see, I'm kind of tired. Yeah, look at this. Hey, okay. Anyways, well, I'm going to make. Well, I'm making this video because I haven't made one in ages, and I'm also making it so you can see all the different hairstyles I've had in the past year. It's crazy. Like, I've had so many of them, and I figured, hey, might as well share that with you guys. So, enjoy the little video clip. Okay, see you right after it's done.
You never felt so distant, yet we're close enough to touch. Keep bringing that heavy breathing, the game is on. You work just a little too easy, and I try my best to crack a smile. Keep doing those silly things that make no sense. It makes no sense at all. Is it in the way you?
Okay, hey guys, hope you enjoyed the picture clip thing. Well, it's time for me to go wash this out of my hair, so you'll see after the pictures, okay? Okay, be right back. I will put some random pictures in here, so we're enjoy the next video clip. See you right after.
It was a weekend, and you can't stop us from going to the local dance spot. Instead of drinking imported beer, somebody brought a bottle of Orphan Tears. We popped the top, we knew it was in it. Yeah, we were all so stupid to sip it. Orphan Tears is so hallucinogenic. I took one drink and saw a two-headed midget. And the room filled with colors and shapes, and suddenly DJ was covered in snakes. Oh snap! And what made it worse was I swear I saw a unicorn humping a smurf, then a rainbow appeared out of Wax's ass. He passed some gas and it snapped in half. Yo, DJ, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm trying to hook up with this girl in a wheelchair.
Alright, chill there. I think I believe it. Care Bear might pick a fight with Jesus. I don't believe it. I'm gonna be seasick. These Orphan Tears are about to make me trip.
Little children here and far, don't know where your parents are. Cry directly in this jar, I will drink it at the bar.
I'm making a birthday. Okay, hey guys. Sorry for making you wait forever to see this, but yeah, this is what. So yeah, green, and here's the back. Yeah, I love it. I hope you do too. So, well, my next videos, I'm going to make a video of me curling my hair with my straightener, and yeah, that's pretty much it for now. And I'm also going to make a hair tutorial for those of you who, well, I'm not wearing makeup. No makeup. Yeah, but I'll be putting on makeup. And video just for you guys. Okay, well, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And rate, comment, and subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Love you and subscribe. Okay, thanks. Bye.